To export the video on CapCut Mobile, follow these steps. First of all, tap on the up arrow in the upper right corner of the screen. Then decide whether you would like to export your video as a regular video or as a GIF. Next, tap on Quality. Then adjust resolution, frame rate and code rate. The resolution you choose here should typically reflect the resolution of the raw footage. So if the raw footage is in 1080p, then here you should choose 1080p as well. The same is true for the frame rate. So if the frame rate of the video that you imported into CapCut is 24 FPS, then you should also choose 24 FPS here as well. Then Smart HDR, which stands for Smart High Dynamic Range, is something that you usually want to leave toggled on, because it adds more dynamic range to your scenes and it highlights the shadows, colors and exposure levels of your clips. Tap on Done once you adjusted all of these settings. Now you can either directly share your video to TikTok or you can simply export it and save it to your device. If you do want to share it to TikTok, then tap on the TikTok icon. If not, if you just want to save it on your phone, then tap on Save to Device. Then wait for your video to export, and if you have chosen Save to Device, after exporting you will still get a few options. For example, you can still share to TikTok or you could even directly post your video as an Instagram story. And this is how you export videos on CapCut Mobile. For more CapCut tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel.